Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Suzuki V-Strom 650. V-twin 650cc adventure sport, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This thing is loaded with accessories. Mad Stat adjustable windscreen, bark busters, ram phone mount, heated grips, front running lights, engine guards, case guard underneath. It's got a quick release GV monokey system, luggage case, which is it has a rear brake light. It's getting 2 brand new tires, only 20,000 miles. This video is going to be pretty long. This thing's loaded. Come on by, check it out. Only $49.99. This thing's gonna fly out of here. You can finance it. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.